So this panel is the panel beside the fridge after the fridge has been pulled out. You can see all these tough marks and how black it is. So I'm going to show you how to remove that. Let's have a look. So what we're going to need first is a bucket with water and a wet magic eraser and our Shyn Degreaser. We're going to spray our Shyn Degreaser on that panel, all over. Then with our wet magic eraser, we're going to use our 1-2 method and agitate that surface. You can see it already. It's coming straight off. See? Now, when you see me going over little bits like that with my 2 fingertips, I'm getting off those hard little marks. You'll be able to feel it as you go. My magic eraser is still wet, so I don't need to re-dip yet. I've turned my magic eraser over and swapped my arms. Now you see me always double checking my stuff as I go, and I'm feeling to see if I've got all those little marks off. Now what you'll need is a wet microfiber and a polish cloth. I'm just going to use my wet microfiber to remove the chemical, changing over sides. And then with the polish cloth, we're going to dry the panel. Now, as you can see, I'm not going over the same spot more than once. That's how the glass cloth works. Let's wait for that to dry, and then we'll have a look. Done. You can see spots down the bottom still drying, but just leave them. They will dry themselves. Shiny.